guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a new holiday flavor to test out for you guys by 310. Do you want to know what this is about? Stay tuned. All right, you guys, so 310 reached out to me and they asked if I'd be willing to try out one of their holiday flavors and test it out for you guys. And they do have a coconut one, but I personally cannot stand the taste of coconut. I don't mind the smell, but I don't like the taste of coconut. So I was like, yeah, I would love to try either the Peppermint Swirl or the gingerbread. Either one of them sounded amazing. So they sent me the Peppermint Swirl. I absolutely love peppermint. Around the holidays, peppermint mocha is my all-time favorite. So I'm so glad that now I have a Peppermint Swirl to make a shake now, and I can't wait to try this. So this is just like the normal meal replacement shakes in their new formula. This is organic and vegan. It's GMO-free, soy-free, gluten-free, and it has 15 grams of protein. So it says that 310 Shakes is crafted using the best 100% vegan organic ingredients and is rich in essential proteins, fiber, and nutrients. You can rely on our 15 grams of easily digestible pure protein and rich superfoods for balanced nutrition and measurable results. So it says directions for healthy weight management and nutrition. Mix 1 scoop of 310 Shake with 8 fluid ounces of cold water, milk, or a milk alternative. Add additional fluid to reach your desired level of consistency. Enjoy 1 to 2 times per day. You can blend it, mix it, do whichever. And I absolutely love 310 Shakes. This is what I have at least for breakfast every single morning. And there's so much more that they have to offer as well, as far as vitamins and collagen. So much. They have stuff with fitness, and they just have so much stuff to offer. I really love 310. That's why I keep bringing them on my channel and showing you guys, because I do use them myself. So I'm going to test out this flavor and we're gonna see what my thoughts are gonna be. So hold on. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start my day off today with the new Peppermint Shake. I'm so excited to try this out. The very first time I'm gonna try it, I'm gonna blend it, but then throughout the week, I'm gonna use it different ways. I'm gonna blend it with water, I will shake it with water, I'll see if there's anything else that I can add to it that it might taste good, because I don't think peanut butter or banana, which is my favorite to add in my 310 Shakes, would be a good combination with Peppermint Swirl, but I'm gonna just try it out throughout the week, like I said, in different ways, so we can see how it tastes, and I can give you my opinion on the best way that I feel this one tastes. So let's get this opened. And that's what it looks like, and there's a little scooper in there. So since I'm, I smell that peppermint. That smells amazing. Since I'm blending it, I've also noticed that if I stick a little bit of the liquid in the bottom, it doesn't form like a huge dry pocket in the end when it's blending. So let me go ahead and I'll start building. This smells so good. So 1 scoop. And all of their bags have like a little Ziploc seal feature. I know a few of them sometimes kind of break away, and then I just stick the whole thing down in like a large Ziploc bag, and it's perfectly fine. Like my collagen, I like to stick them in bags so I feel that they're extra sealed. So I'm gonna put my scoop of collagen. I also added in 1 tablespoon of this right here. This is a newer product that I purchased along with the keto capsules. I purchased these directly myself and have been trying to do this to help with keynotes, I guess. So now that I have my powder and I have my collagen, let's go ahead and fill it up. I always use almond milk when I blend my shakes. That's a perfect amount. And I use the unsweetened vanilla, the one that has the 30, and blend. Okay. Ooh, that is definitely pepperminty. It's like a peppermint mocha. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's really good. And all I did was blend it. All I used was that, and then put in my collagen, which collagen has no flavor. That tastes amazing. That is nice and creamy, like, Okay, you guys, so today I'm actually going to try it with coffee. Now, I know in one of my other videos, someone had commented that they love their shakes with coffee, and I'm like, how does that work? Because I'm thinking hot coffee, cold shakes, how in the world does this work? But apparently they even have a lot of recipes on 3ten's website. You can actually go to the menu and go to recipes. They have pages and pages of different recipes. You can filter through like the flavor or how you want to achieve it, that kind of thing, to make it easier, or you can just look through all of the recipes. So I went through one and I put in the filter for coffee, and it looks like a lot of them you can do either hot or cold. So I'm gonna do my shake, and I'm gonna put a shot of coffee in there and see what happens. So I'm gonna go ahead and start building it. I did just brew a cup of, like a shot of espresso coffee, but I tossed it in the freezer just so it can kind of chill down, because it says in the recipe to use cold coffee. So obviously it's really, really hot right now. So I just tossed it in the freezer to cool down for a second. So let's start building everything else. So I have my 2 ice cubes so far in there, and let's go ahead and get the peppermint swirl. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. Get that in my cup. My scoop of collagen. Put in my oil. And I love that I can just toss everything all in here and have it all at the same time. So easy. I just brewed it in my normal coffee cup, and now I'm gonna fill the rest up. Let's go ahead and mix it. I'm gonna taste it this way and drink a little bit, and then I'm gonna add a banana to it. I love bananas in the shake. I just don't know how a banana is going to be with the peppermint swirl taste. I asked my man, I'm like, do you think peppermint and banana goes good? He goes, banana goes good with anything. I was like, all right, I'm going to try it. So I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to blend it first without the banana, and then I'll add the banana to the second half. That's actually really good. I'm getting a little bit of the coffee. I'm getting a little bit of the peppermint, so it's kind of like a peppermint mocha kind of. I bet you if I added more coffee, it would taste even better. But let me go ahead and add in the banana. That's different. I never thought of adding my coffee to it. So whoever put that in my comment, thank you, because you opened my eyes. I was like so intrigued. I'm like, I've never heard of that, but now I'm actually curious, and now I know. That is so good. I think I want to do like 2 shots of coffee the next time though, to make it even more coffee-y-er. How many E's and R's did I have to put in that one? But let's go ahead and now blend up the banana to it. Okay, with banana, coffee, and peppermint mocha, or peppermint swirl. That's actually really good. The banana just gives it the different creamier texture that I absolutely love putting bananas in my shakes because of that reason. So it gives it that nice creaminess. You get the banana. I don't have as much coffee now with adding the banana. I do taste the peppermint swirl. So I think definitely 2 things of coffee the next time, but I just learned something today. Pretty good. Okay, guys, so for today, I'm gonna go ahead and use the peppermint swirl, but I'm only going to use it with water, nothing else. I'm not even gonna put in my oil or my collagen or anything like that, even though I know those are tasteless, but I don't know if that changes the consistency at all of how it comes out. So I'm just gonna do water and powder. And then I'm gonna shake it in my shaker bottle. I have 2 different sizes. Today, I'm gonna go ahead and use the smaller one, peppermint swirl. Now I'm gonna fill it with water. Put this on top. That helps shake everything up, mix it up. Put my lid back on and shake. So it's not as pepperminty when it's just like this. I'm still getting the peppermint flavor, but it's not overpowering. So it's just a nice little subtle peppermint taste to it, but this is just with water. Still very good. I got the peppermint taste, nice and cool peppermint taste in my mouth right now from it. So I like it. Okay, now, so today I'm going to just use regular water, but I'm going to blend it. just to see the different consistency and how it tastes with just regular water and blended only. So I have my ice cubes ready. Let me add a little bit of liquid. 1 scoop of the Peppermint Swirl. It smells so good. Now fill her up the rest of the way. Blend. Super creamy. Whoa. Okay, so I think this is the most intense peppermint flavor that I'm getting is this way. That is good. It tastes just like peppermint. It tastes like a peppermint. Yeah, peppermint. That's good. So blending it just with water. Of course, it's more of a water consistency. When you add in like the almond milk or a banana or something like that, it gives it more of a creamier consistency versus just like a watery consistency. So this right here is just water because all I use is water and ice, but it tastes really good. I have a whole lot of peppermint flavor going on, like a burst of peppermint in my mouth, which I do like. So I feel like the flavor is more intense when you just use regular water and you blend it, but it's really, really good. You guys, I'm gonna go ahead and drop in a banana in this consistency right here with just the water. I'm gonna drop in a banana just to see what it would do with the water. Ooh, I'm spilling it. So now that I have added the banana, the peppermint flavor has gone out the window. Now I'm only tasting like a creamy banana. I don't really taste much peppermint at all with it like this, but it's still really good. It's just you don't get much peppermint now. All right, you guys, so now I am back to finalize my review from the 310 Nutrition new holiday flavor Peppermint Swirl. And I wanted to let you know that I really did enjoy it. When I would add anything to it as far as like a banana or anything like that, it would definitely change the flavor and I wouldn't really taste any peppermint at all. So if you do want just a strong peppermint, then I would just leave it as it is and either put your water or your milk substitute, whatever you do, mix the liquid in with it. Being blended or shaken, both of them were pretty good, especially if I just did the regular water and didn't even use my almond milk. That's when I had the most intense flavor and I really did enjoy it. I do see they have a new mocha one. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to get my hands on that. And Jenny JWoww and her man Zach, they came out with their own flavors that I just saw yesterday. I'm like, now I'm gonna have to try those too because hers is like a birthday cake and his was like a chocolate icing, and I love the chocolate, especially with the peanut butter and the banana inside, so I want to try that one as well. So let me know if I get those, if you want me to do another review on those flavors, because I definitely want to try the mocha one and I'm dying to try the little Dynamic Duo's new flavors as well. So comment down below and let me know. But yeah, thanks again 310 for sending me a new flavor. I'm so glad I was able to try out the Peppermint Swirl. It is amazing, like all of them. They're just so creamy and just delicious, and I'm so glad that I have these because my meal replacement shakes are amazing with 310. So that is everything, you guys. Comment down below. Let me know, what did you think? I have the link down below with my discount code, and that'll take you straight to their website if you would like to check out everything that they have, because again, it's not just protein shakes. They have so much things to offer, so check them out if you would like. Everything will be linked down below. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.